Alright, room tour on the Navigator of the Seas, 6th floor, room 6443. Let's go inside, stateroom. There you go, come inside. That's it, pretty much. So you come in, you got the beds all set up. Don't mind the alligator with the Mickey eyes on there. This room, they say they can fit up to 4 people. So I'm guessing there's another bed that comes down from here. You got this, you got the ladder, goes onto it. You got the TV, small TV. Got the safe inside here, I believe. There's a couple closets or cabinets. There you go. Make sure you always check the cabinets before you leave. You never know what you're gonna find. Now you got the fridge down here. Well, it keeps things, I guess, cold. Then you got your drawers. You got the table. And you got the mirrors and all that stuff. There's me. Hello. You got another mirror here. Now don't mind this. It's we're getting off the ship tomorrow, so you got a couch right here. Yeah, it's good. It's okay. It's a couch. And then you got the door. And then you got a closet, a couple hangers and all that stuff inside here. You got your life jackets down on the bottom. Life jacket up there as well. Close that up. A couple hangers over here. You can hang stuff, I guess. Or you can just hang out. Then you got the bathroom. There you go. More hangers on the door there. And then you have the bathroom. The throne, powerful. It works. Then you got the mirror, and then you have the shower. The shower find is pretty good. Or it's decent, I guess, for a cruise ship. But yeah, it's good. It's decent, tight fit, but you'll be just fine. Yeah, so that's the inside stateroom on the Navigator of the Seas, room 6443.